Good afternoon. I am Theo Bennett, Campaign Manager here at More Visibility, and this is Joe Texera, our renowned Director of Web Intelligence, and we want to chat about a couple of topics today. One of those being one of my favorites, which is custom variables in Google Analytics, and how you can leverage that to get past first click or last click attribution.
Well, you know, Theo, a lot of people don't even know what custom variables are, which is a little frightening, but that's why we're here. We're here to educate and help. So why don't we talk about that? Didn't mean to interrupt you, by the way.
No, it's okay. Let me give you a real-world example of something that a lot of websites do and can be a conversion killer. And that is if you have a contact form or a lead generation form, if a lot of times you'll see a "how did you hear about us" thing, which of course Google Analytics or a good analytics platform is there to tell you that information. Another question for someone to answer seems kind of silly too in 2010 to have that on the site. So imagine if Joe was a customer of ours and came up to a cash register to buy something, and instead of asking him how he found out about us, he would have different tags placed on him that told us exactly how he interacted with us, that he reacted to our newspaper advertisement, that he reacted to our radio advertisement, that he clicked on our paid search banner and then Googled the name of the company and came in and bought something. That's the way that custom variables can help you understand who your customers are and where they come from. That if you send traffic from all these different multi-channels to a unique landing page, you have the opportunity to tag those visitors with the source of the information or the source of the traffic and build a better picture of how people are reacting to all your marketing efforts. And custom variables is a great way to do that in Google Analytics.
Custom variables in Google Analytics works at 3 different levels. So what you can do for anybody who owns a website and anybody who has Google Analytics is you can attach a page level, a session level, or a visitor level custom variable. And they work in tandem, but they also can work independently from each other. So a page level custom variable is any event that happens on a page. So let's say that you choose something on a forum, Theo. You choose that you like green instead of blue or red. What happens is Google Analytics can record that event as a page level event that you liked green and send that information to Google Analytics, of course attributing the source and the medium and all that stuff. A session level variable is great for if you have like a shopping cart and if you want to track from point A to point Z in your checkout system, and it expires at the end of the session. So after the person closes their browser or goes home or goes to lunch or gets called into a meeting or whatever the case may be, that custom variable will stop tracking information and you'll see that in GA. Or what you can do is you can append a lifetime or a visitor level custom variable to a user, and just like the name implies, that custom variable is there for the lifetime and the duration of that cookie. Usually lasts 2 years is what the cookie values are, but of course somebody needs to not delete their cookies, which never happens. Nobody ever deletes their cookies in GA. So those are the 3 different types of custom variables that you can set in Google Analytics. You can do page level, session level, and visitor level custom variables. But for some situations, Theo, as you know, you can also do event tracking and send event hits instead of using custom variables. And that may be something that's helpful if you have rich media or AJAX applications or videos on your website or any other interactions that you don't really want to set a cookie for on a visitor's machine. You could do that with event tracking. So there's a couple of different ways to help solve the attribution problem and help attribute some more meaning and some more depth into the visitors that come to your website.
Well said. To Tsukimoto or anybody else that wants more information, please feel free to contact us at info@morevisibility.com.